Alright, so you want to know how to make money with affiliate marketing. You've probably seen people online talking about earning passive income while they sleep, and it sounds amazing, right? Well, let's break down exactly how you can get started, even if you're a complete beginner. First up, what actually is affiliate marketing? In the simplest terms, it's when you promote someone else's product or service using a special link. If someone buys through your link, you get a commission. Think of it as being a matchmaker between a product and a buyer, and getting paid for the intro. Now here's the step-by-step guide. Step 1. Pick your niche. This is just a fancy word for the topic you want to talk about. Maybe you're into tech gadgets, fitness, cooking, or even pet care. It should be something you're genuinely interested in because you'll be creating content around it. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. Tons of companies offer affiliate programs. Amazon, for example, or platforms like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Impact. Sign up, grab your unique affiliate links, and you're ready for the next step. Step 3. Create content. The easiest way to start is with content you already consume. Do you like making YouTube videos, writing blog posts, posting on Instagram or TikTok? Pick one platform and start creating content that helps people. Maybe you do reviews, tutorials, or top 5 lists featuring your affiliate products. Remember, your goal is to genuinely help your audience make informed decisions, not just to sell. People can spot insincerity from a mile away. Step 4. Add your affiliate links. On YouTube, that means putting your affiliate links in the video description. On a blog, link them within your articles. Always let your audience know you might earn a commission. It builds trust, and it's actually required by law in many places. Step 5. Drive traffic. No traffic, no sales. So share your content on social media, join relevant groups, answer questions on forums, anywhere your audience hangs out. Over time, as more people click your links, you'll start earning commissions. Now, don't expect to get rich overnight. Affiliate marketing is simple, but it's not easy. You'll need to test different products, experiment with your content, and stay patient. But if you stick with it, it can absolutely become a reliable stream of income. So, to recap, pick a niche, join affiliate programs, create valuable content, add your links, and drive traffic. Keep things honest, focus on helping people, and you'll be well on your way. If you want more tips, check out my other videos, and let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking about starting with. Thanks for watching.